A thermobaric grenade can have catastrophic consequences for an armored vehicle if detonated inside, as the high pressure and heat destroy most if not all equipment and components inside. But while this effect works good inside, as seen in this video where a Ukrainian drone operators try to hit an open hatch of a T-62 tank with a cope cage, as the first hit just next to the hatch, bouncing off a bit, the damage against the front armor is fairly minimal. But as the second thermobaric grenade just misses the hatch as well, the grenade stays on top of the tank, while adding damage mostly to the track and the armor over. The already abandoned tank is left in a worse condition, showing the absolutely pinpoint accuracy that is needed for drone operators, but also the damage difference, as Ukrainian drone operators make sure lost equipment stays off future battles. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.